Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing quickly. Confirm your important files are backed up and note whether you run Windows 10 or 11 because menus differ. Once done, open Recovery Settings or hold Shift while clicking Restart to force the recovery menu. This saves time versus fumbling with F8. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Make sure to select Startup Settings so you can enable Safe Mode variants. You're now ready to pick the Safe Mode option that fits your repair plan. You boot into the chosen safe mode, prefer networking if you need internet tools, or command prompt for advanced fixes, and then prioritize the likely causes. Once inside, uninstall recent drivers or system updates that triggered the problem, and disable suspicious startup items via Task Manager. Next, run quick integrity checks, chkdskc/f to fix disk errors, and sfc/scano to restore corrupted system files. If malware is suspected, you finish by rebooting into normal mode to confirm the issue is resolved. Test essential apps and peripherals for about 15 to 30 minutes. If problems persist, restore to a known good system, restore point, or use Reset This PC while keeping your files to avoid data loss. If a stubborn startup problem remains, boot back into safe mode and perform a clean boot to isolate third-party services. This single step often reveals the culprit. Keep detailed notes of changes so you can undo anything if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.